Okay, so today we're going to be installing these Bebeto Prong snaps onto this piece of cotton lycra. We're going to be using our TEP-1 fastener attaching machine, excuse me. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to insert the bottom die. We're going to start with the open cap still, okay? So you place that, that's the open cap die. This is the top die for the snap. You'll only need this one top die for all three of these snaps. Go ahead and screw that in. Place one of these open caps there on the bottom die. Then I'm going to take this half. This is the nipple half. You can place it with the nipple facing up. There you go. And install it here in the corner so I have enough space on this sample. And that's all it takes. So that's one. Now I'm going to do the female end. Now it's very important that when you're placing this into the top die, that this completely even side is what's facing out. So you'll see it once you order it. Place that up there. So again, you can see that you only need that one top die. So this is the second half. So right there. Very simple. So there's your completed snap. Snap them together, and that's a good snap actually. There you go. Your open cap Bebeto Prong snap. Now we're going to change the bottom die, and I'm going to place the capped Bebeto Prong snap on there. Okay. Same top die. What I'm going to do is going to place the cap on there now. I'm going to place the nipple up top again. Start off with that one first. Move over a little bit. Now it's always best to bench mount your machine. I don't have it bench mounted, so it's affecting me a little bit. So I definitely recommend that you do that, okay? Now again, remember to have, you probably can't see it on the camera, but the completely rolled, the smooth one facing out. On the other side, you'll see that it has little spaces or breaks where you see that the metal has rolled over on itself. Okay, so I'm going to place another cap on there. Very lightly. And that's all it takes. So that's my second snap. This is the closed cap. Okay. There you go. Now we're going to do the last one for the Prong Bebeto snaps. This is one of my personal favorites, the Rhinestone. So you see, we carry them in many different with many different colors. Okay, this is just white. Okay, so you place that there. Again, the same top die. I'm going to start with the nipple. Right there. Place that there. Find a little bit more room on my sample. And that's it right there. I'm going to place one more. The opposite female side. I have to look at this. This is the right side. Place a little bit further apart. And that's all it takes. So put these together and snap. You see how the stone isn't damaged at all. And that's what we really want. There we go. Good snap. And those are all of our Prong Bebeto snaps.